Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I'm going to show you how you can find some top performing ETFs, exchange traded funds in Australia in just a couple of seconds a day using VectorVest. Alright, so first thing first, let's hop into VectorVest. Here we are. And if I click on viewers, so if I click on viewers over here and go down to the ETF viewer, this will list all of the ETFs that we currently track in VectorVest, 185 currently. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these 185 and we're going to find some of the best parameter sets so we can effectively work out what the best ETFs are in Australia. So using the UniSearch tool, I'm going to scroll down here to the searches, to the group entitled ETFs. Right, so it's right up at the top here. If you open up the ETFs group, you'll see at your fingertips here you have these excellent searches to help you bring the best ETFs to the top of the list. Right, so if I click on best AU ETFs, what this search here is doing is it will make sure that there's liquidity. It will make sure that there are strong technicals, so good upward momentum taking place. We sort this by relative timing times CI. Relative timing is our short-term price momentum indicator, and CI is our comfort index indicator, looking for smooth left to right price patterns on average. So if I run the search here and bring back the ETFs, look at this first one here. If I graph this one here, let's graph the first one here to show you. Wow, look at that. So nice smooth trend there. It's gone from about $25 a couple of months back all the way over $40 odd. Let's close this one here. Let's look at the next one here. Let's graph this one and have a quick look. All right, look at that. Beautiful profile taking place. Went from about 150, 160 all the way up over 200. Look at the volume here. So you might look at this and say, well, it's only 14,000 trades taking place a day on average. I want more volume. Well, what you can do here is you can come in and you can change. So for example, if it's 5,000, we could change it to be 50,000. 50, 1, 2, 3, 50,000. There we are. Run the search. And look at that. Now we bring back the big market type cap ETFs, and if I graph the selected one here, so these will be the big end of town typically. Look at that, look at the huge volume coming through. Look at that in terms of a profile, not too bad at all. Right, this one here, significant amount of volume coming through each day in terms of the trades. Okay, let's close out of here. Let's have a look. Next one here, best AU ETFs supercharged. Right, so I'll move into this one here. Look at that, price split adjusted greater than or equal to $5. So here we're not looking, the one we're looking at before, it was $30. This one here, we're going down a little bit lower and saying, well, at least $5. Okay, if I was to run the search on this one here, look at some of the shares that are coming up. So if I graph a couple of these here just to show you in terms of the profiles there, not too bad. All right, so you can see quite a few good ones coming through here. A lot of these here don't have a lot of data prior. They're quite new in terms of just being listed. So you want to make sure you've got a fairly good track record. I would recommend at least 3 to 4 years, ideally 5+ years where available. Okay, let's close out of here. And if I go on a little bit further here, best performing ETFs in a confirmed up, C up, confirmed up. So when the market's turning and coming back to the upside, you can consider looking at these types of ETFs. All right, so there's some really good ETFs in here. If I scroll down a bit further here, you can see some excellent ETFs. All right, let's close out of here. Last thing I want to leave you with, if you click on the Portfolios tab, and in the Portfolios tab, there's a portfolio that we track each and every day called the ETFs portfolio. It consists of 5 ETFs in total. You can see that we have made no trades on those 5 ETFs over the last several years. And look at the returns. This year so far, it's up over 20% this year for 2019 as of time of recording. All right. When you log in and you click on the ETFs portfolio, you'll see that down the bottom, it'll show the 5 ETFs. The reason why I'm not showing this is if you are new to VectorVest, I encourage you to take out a 30-day trial to test VectorVest out. So I don't want to give away all the trade secrets in this video. But if you're interested, take out a trial and you can see exactly what is taking place in that ETFs portfolio. If you're looking to take out a trial, here we go, www.vectorvest.com.au. So you want to go to vectorvest.com.au And then in the top right here, you click on the risk-free trial And there for $9.95 USD, so call it 14 Australian dollars, you can trial out VectorVest for 30 days. All right, hope you got a lot out of this. Speak to you next time. Bye for now.